Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there lived a skilled carpenter named Ethan. He was known far and wide for his craftsmanship and dedication. Every house he built was strong, beautiful, and a reflection of his hard work. But as years passed, Ethan grew older, and the thought of retiring became more appealing to him. One day, Ethan approached his employer to announce his decision. "I've worked hard for many years," he said, "and now it's time for me to retire and spend my days in peace." His employer listened carefully and smiled. "Ethan, your work has always been exceptional. Before you go, I have one last request. Could you build just one more house for me?" Reluctantly, but his heart wasn't in it. Ethan began the project, but he was tired and eager to finish quickly. He used low-quality materials, skipped important steps, and didn't pay much attention to the details. "This is my last project," he thought. "Why bother making it perfect?" The walls were uneven, the wood was cheap, and the paint was sloppy. For the first time, Ethan's work didn't reflect his usual skill or dedication. When the house was finally finished, Ethan handed the keys to his employer, relieved to be done. But to his surprise, the employer smiled warmly and handed the keys back to him. "Ethan," he said, "this house is my gift to you, as a token of gratitude for your years of hard work." Ethan was stunned. He looked at the house he had built carelessly and felt a deep sense of regret. Ethan couldn't bear to live in a house that didn't represent his true work. Determined to make things right, he spent the next year rebuilding the house with his best skills and the finest materials. He poured his heart into the work, ensuring every detail was perfect. When he was done, the house was not just beautiful, it was the best he had ever built. It became a symbol of his renewed dedication and the lesson he had learned. Ethan realized that every task in life is an opportunity to give our best. Whether it's our last project or our first, the effort we put into our work reflects who we are. And in the end, it always comes back to us. The moral of the story is, whatever you do, always do it with care and dedication. It will always come back to you.